Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to be talking about using analytics to help you improve your sales funnel. And I've got Irene Pollak from Rumble Media, and she's the person who actually helps us with our analytics and metrics, which is what we're going to be getting into today in terms of helping you understand what you need to do to improve. So Irene's actually helped a number of clients go from 6 to 7 figures in their businesses in terms of revenue, and she knows a lot about how to use analytics to just help you get to the next level. So welcome, Irene.
Thank you, Trudy.
Okay, so what we're going to do, first of all, the very first thing that you want to think about is that what is your definition of success? When it comes to figuring out your analytics, you do need to have an idea in your head about what success looks like for you. Is it a particular number? Is it a particular action that your clients or customers have taken? And as you can see from the slide in front of us, it also depends a little bit on where people are in their journey. So I'm going to turn it over to Irene and let her take over.
Okay, so when it comes to key numbers in your business, in the beginning of online marketing, it used to be how many clicks do I get from my ads? Whereas over the years of working in digital marketing, what I've really known is a friction is that conversion rate optimization, like how to get more people from knowing who you are to deciding that you're the right fit for their problem. So what we do, and optimizing that has always been about heat maps, click behavior, all that kind of stuff. And 2 years ago, Google brought out Google Tag Manager to supplement what Google Analytics could do. So now what Google Tag Manager is helps you do more tracking around the consideration stage, the behavior, the clicks on your website. So before we used to just track, how many people got to my website and how many people converted. And we never ever considered what was happening in the deliberation or the consideration stage. And after years of trying all these other tactics, what they've identified is this is the stage where you can optimize what is the number of clicks from this part from awareness to decision stage, and what's the conversion rate. And so that should be one of your key figures, is how many people see my business, how many people opt in, whether it's a newsletter, whether it's a add to cart, etc., something that gets them almost or done. Because you're never going to do, if you focus on the aware to completed, that's usually only 5% of your visitors will go from seeing your business and converting on the first visit. 95% need second, third, fourth looks, and you need to figure out, so your first KPI is how many saw, how many converted. Your second KPI or key performance indicator figure should be where did they drop off in the consideration stage, and where do I need to focus my attention? Did they make it past the top of the page? Did they get to the middle of the page? Or did they even see my offer? Those kind of numbers help you identify what my people are doing. And another number is which channel is bringing in people who are showing interested behavior or considered behavior. So those would be and we work from a framework of called 3 different types of goals. They're aware of your business, they engage with your business, and they converted. So working out what your key numbers are in those, and what you're going to notice is that there's patterns and trends in every business, and across every month, across every year, there's always patterns and trends. So you're going to know when you're performing above or below. So those are and you need to figure out what's the key KPI that you need for aware, engaged, and converted, and then work on those as your framework of, is Facebook working? Is YouTube working? Is LinkedIn working? And when you find out one of those, then you optimize for those channels. That's how you use KPIs to make your business smarter online.